how to create Canva presentations. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create presentations in Canva. So let's dive right in. Open up any browser and then head over to canva.com. Then after you're logged in, you can see on the left hand side there is create option. Tap on it and then you can see presentations. Tap on it and you can see various templates for presentation, or you can even choose a blank template if you want to. So just scroll down, choose the presentation template of your choice, tap on it. It will open up in a new page, and then you can get various slides of presentation. Now you can just edit it according to your choice. So you can remove some parts that you don't want. You can change the font, and you can even like change the background if you want to. And then you can go to another slide, and here you can upload your own pictures. You can do stuff like this. Just drag the picture and place it where you want to. You can place it in the background as well. You can easily change the text, and you can even uh, delete some of the slides that you don't want. Tap on the three dots and then just tap on delete page. Or if you want the same slide, you can duplicate page. You can copy and paste contents. So it's as simple as that to create presentation in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.